Good morning, Mr. Seastrong. Do you have a lawyer today? Tell me what you're doing about that.
I'm not able to afford one.
Why not? When is the last time you've had a full-time job?
Company went out of business in February. I've been door dashing.
So you are working.
What? It's not enough to afford because I got my kids. I don't have enough to afford a lawyer from what I make from DoorDash.
How much money do you make a month?
Probably barely 300, maybe.
How much?
Barely 300.
300 what?
Dollars.
What? A day? A week? You make $300 a month. I don't believe it.
View commentary. Did you catch that? The judge isn't buying the 300-month story for a second. And honestly, who would? Courts hear plenty of excuses, but when your numbers don't add up, credibility takes a big hit. What do you think? Was he being truthful or just dodging responsibility?
Do that for a second. How do you eat? How do you survive?
I stay with my wife. My wife.
So your wife works.
Yes.
What does your wife do?
She does assistant at an apartment facility.
How much money does she make a month?
VO commentary. Here comes the hammer. Judges hate when defendants expect taxpayers to foot the bill while refusing to work. It's not just about fairness, it's about accountability. The judge is basically saying, if you can play Xbox, you can clock in at a job.
She just started, so I'm really not sure. It's probably been about 3 weeks or so.
Why do the people of Harris County get to pay for a lawyer for you when you don't do anything? How's that fair? Why you get to sit at home play Xbox? Well, why do the people of Harris County get to pay for your lawyer? How's that fair? You're able-bodied. There's no reason why you shouldn't be working. You need a job.
Yes, sir. I work. I take care of my kids. We just got it.
But you're not taking care of your kids. No. Kids need food. They need clothes. Not just love. They need physical things as well. And if you're not pulling your weight, then you're not helping your kids. Your wife is helping your kids. What conditions did we put on Mr. Seastrong, please? I'm sorry if you don't like what I'm telling you, Mr. Seastrong, but I'm telling you the truth. How old are you? You're 39, and you make $300 a month.
VO commentary. Whoa, this is a curveball. Your bond conditions can actually require you to work a full-time job. That's rare, but it shows how frustrated this judge is. Imagine, Suama, your freedom depends not just on obeying the law, but on proving you're employed. That's a new level of tough love.
That's silly, and it's a shame.
I work for one out of business.
Then find something else.
Have been.
Do you know that there are so many companies out there that are begging for workers that are willing to pay you $15 to $20 an hour for you to work? Amazon, Starbucks. There's so many other places that are begging for workers because they just don't have enough. I'm not gonna, no. I'm making it a condition of your bond now that you get a full-time job. And I'm bringing you back in 2 weeks to see what you have done. But as far as what you get to hang out and do nothing all day, and then I have to pay for your lawyer too? You want a back rub too? No. I will give you an application. I'm going to send it home, and then I'm going to bring you back in 2 weeks, and I want to see what you've done to get a job. If you've done nothing, then life's not going to go well. But it's not fair that we all here, I mean, I might as well just give you my wallet now. That's what we're doing.
And Your Honor, if I may, previously he had a violation of no driving because the defendant expressed he had no insurance, so you add includes that as well, no driving.
I hope you are not driving, Mr. Seastrong.
I was able to get.
VO commentary. This is wild. He signed paperwork saying he wouldn't drive without insurance and court approval, then admits he drove anyway. That's like telling your boss you'll quit being late and then strolling in at noon. In court, Ignoring conditions isn't just reckless, it's begging for jail time.
Insurance from,
You are supposed to get court approval first before you drive, and you signed.
I got insurance a few days after we left from it. You told me not to drive without getting it.
Deputy Anderson, can you get that piece of paper, please? Sorry, guys. Just momentarily. Can you hand that to him? What does that say?
No driving without insurance approval.
Man, don't play Helen Keller. No driving without valid liability insurance and court approval. Do you want to go to jail? Don't drive. All I'm asking you to do is follow the law, Mr. Seastrunk. I don't give out lawyers like it's candy on Halloween, and I expect you to pull your weight. And I don't care if you don't like what I'm telling you, but sometimes in life, someone needs to put you over their knee and tell you this is how things need to go.
Vote commentary. That's damning. Eyewitness ID plus physical evidence of injury. Even if it's a minor abrasion, it ties him directly to the assault. Remember, in criminal law, it doesn't have to be a broken bone. Any unwanted physical contact causing pain counts as assault.
And you, at 39, need to grow up and pull your weight. Start working. Don't be a bum. Can you give him an application? And we will see you back in 2 weeks. And then can you file conditions, please, that he must get a full-time job, please? That way.